सेंसी देखते हैं पहले स्पॉट बॉय। बाप रे, पहले स्पॉट बॉय भी देखते हैं। स्पॉट बॉय बहुत, मेरे को बहुत टैग्स है इसके बारे में। एक सेकंड क्या लिखा है? अच्छा कोलैब है, स्पॉट बॉय भाई का कोलैब है साहिल किसके साथ तो। टू डायनेस्टी 3 क्राउन्स 1 एम्पायर, क्या बात है। भाई ज़ौली ओ भाई, ग्राफिक्स डाला है भाई।
It's unbelievable that we just started 5 years ago. It was a midnight dream, a midnight stroll in the streets of Mumbai. Me and Mortal discussing, we wanted to be the 100 Thieves of India. And then I presented him my vision. And then he said, I'm in it. And then I met Goldie a year later. And then our lovely team members, our lovely creators, and all of us. I think SATUL has a goal to put India on the global map. India is a very big gaming market and I want the world to see it. Namaste from India. This feels surreal right now and it's,
ओ भाई क्या एडिट किया है बे।
on behalf of the entire SATUL family, all 25 plus members, all the talented ones, we do our level best to spread smiles across our audiences and we'll aspire to do the same throughout the years to come. And this is for all who have been a part of this journey. Thank you.
And so when you're looking for that consistency, when you're doing all that stuff, where does the inspiration come from?
It's the team,
bhai.
It's our entire team which pushes each other. That's what matters to us.
Just as a side note, it's always about the team with you.
Yeah.
I always respect that. I think it's a really big part of where your success comes from.
Tonight, I have a very cool job to do. We get to celebrate greatness, passion, and dedication as we honor one of the most formidable forces in the world of esports content creation. I'm thrilled to announce that SATUL Esports won their 3rd consecutive esports award for Content Group of the Year. They are only the 2nd individuals in esports awards history to achieve a three-peat. This isn't just consistency. It's about creating top-tier content that resonates with millions. Led by the talents of Fug, Mortal, and Goldie, SATUL have redefined possibilities for Indian esports, as well as their fans and creators alike. I now have the duty and obligation to present SATUL with their commemorative three-peat trophy, and it is a special one. This is a limited edition.
I'm very sorry. I know people don't like when I pause the videos, but sometimes I want to talk about these things and सब थोड़ा सा मैं इसको पीछे लेके जाऊंगा. But ये लाइन जब एक सेकेंड
Esports of esports dedication.
ये लाइन
one of the most formidable forces in the world of esports content creation.
उफ ब्रो, ये लाइन जो था ना, ये तुम लोगों को दिख नहीं रहा है क्योंकि पूरा मिटपट तुम लोगों को सुनाई दे रहा होगा. वन ऑफ द फॉर्मिडेबल फोर्सेस इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ esports कंटेंट क्रिएशन. Crazy लगा मुझे.
Three-peat trophy. And it is a special one. This is a limited edition, 2 of a kind with Levi trophy. I believe it's going to make its way onto the stage now. And then we have a little bit of a package to showcase.
From being nowhere to here, it's a dream. It's magical. I still can't process this feeling, but I really want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to each member of SATUL, each creator who's helped us pursue our journey till here.
Let's talk about the content group that won. The content group was won by
SATUL.
Yeah. They are massive.
They're insane. I was talking about this before. I started this about 3 years ago. Was my first show, or 2 years ago was my first show. They won. Then I come back next year or last year. They won. We come this year. They won. And at first I was like, oh, you know what? I don't actually know who they are. I followed everybody on Instagram. Their community is insane. These are truly some of the biggest content creators on the planet right now.
भाई
And I gotta talk to you about that. You guys take over the world. I mean, if you haven't heard of them, you low-key live under a rock. You guys have won a ton of awards before as well. What has that kind of meant to y'all? What does winning an esport award mean to you?
I think it means the world to us. To put India in the gaming and esports industry on a global map, it really means a lot to us.
Yeah, so this seems like an habit now. It's our third nomination and a hat-trick win for us. First time could have been lucky, second time was a charm, third time firmly means that the best content group of India is the best in the world.
And the esports award for the content group of the year goes to...
And the winner is?
And the winner is SIUL Esports.
ये इधर मिली क्या कर रही है? अब भी नोटिस किया मैंने, खुद ही फोड़ रही है फटाका, उसी की फट रही है, क्या कर रही है ये अब भी नोटिस किया मैंने,
SIUL
खुद ही ओपन कर रही है, खुद ही उसी की फट रही है। ये देख क्या कर रही है, ये देख।
Feels great, and I'm really humbled for this award. It really means the world to us. We are doing great. We'll keep moving. We'll keep running. Thank you.
See, all I can say is this. There's a lot of people जो edits बनाते हैं. I think Spotboy और ये जिसके साथ भी कोलैब किया साहिल एडिट, I don't know if they're the same person या साहिल एडिट्स और Spotboy अलग-अलग है, I'm not sure. But Spotboy भाई, you're truly the fucking king of making montages. मतलब अभी मैं लाइव आने के पहले मैं हर्षी का स्ट्रीम देख रहा था and she was looking at that अपना पुराना वाला मोन्टाज जो Spotboy ने बनाया था, वो लंबा सा ना, वो सारे क्रिएटर्स को जो उसने थोड़ा सा दिखाया था. Bro, legit, it is some of the best work I have ever seen. Hello. It is legitimately some of the best work I have ever seen. मतलब literally insane. मतलब पता नहीं ब्रो, फील, ये सब देखी हुई चीजें हैं, ये हमने 10 बार देखी हुई चीजें हैं जो भी आप अपने वीडियो में डालते हो, बट द फैक्ट दैट आप उसको ऐसे प्रेजेंट करते हो जिससे हर बार वो एक पता नहीं ब्रो, अलग फीलिंग आती है. वो ऐसे सब एडिट्स है ना, मूवी स्टार्स वगैरह के बनते थे जब मैं छोटा था, अगर मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊं तो. मतलब मैं जब इंस्टाग्राम पे देखता था, जब मैं कोई नहीं था, ये ऐसे एडिट्स मेरे को मूवी स्टार्स के, सेलिब्रिटीज के, क्रिकेटर्स के दिखते थे, वर्ल्ड के, मतलब समझ रहे हो, मतलब उनके दिखते थे. अब हमारे देखने ऐसे मिलते हैं, इज जस्ट इट फील्स वेरी नाइस, एकदम इनक्रेडिबल